Yeah, welcome to Weymouth everyone tonight. We are here for Bonfire Night and we're just going to have a look at some of the stores, what's on offer. Everyone's a winner. Everyone's a winner. Oh yeah, it's the Hook a Duck store. Everyone is a winner here. That's what it says. There you go. So we're going to have a walk off the seafront now to the pavilion end and see what we can see. And see what's happening up there. So join me and welcome. Greek takeaway restaurant sort of thing. The Greek gyros. Anyone ever heard of that? Or everyone ever tried Greek? Leave a message in the comments. Yeah, giving away free samples there of something to try. I don't know what these are. Free samples. Freeze-dried candy is called. Anyone ever tried these? Coffee guys. Anyone ever heard of the coffee guys? Never heard of them? Coffee guys. Serving coffee at the back of a van. Well, one way to make money. Fresh pancakes, stall there. Never tried a pancake? Yeah, try a pancake. I'm not sure if they're like the American style pancakes, you get from the IHOP over in the States, but I don't think so. And then you got the view with the store over there, look. Very busy indeed. I don't think they've lit the actual fire yet. So a bit earlier this year, I think, than it was last year. Seafront here. Everyone's out on the beach. You can see them. The bonfire is further up and just somewhere up there. So we'll go and have a look and see what we can see further up. Yeah, what's this one? It's a hot dog. They don't want a hot dog. Chili dogs and hot dogs. Everyone had a chili dog? Everyone ever tried a chili dog? Leave a message in the comments. You ever tried a chili dog? I think they're more American, I think. But lovely chili dogs. And you got this Molten's Dairy Company there. With milkshakes and stuff like that. Ooh, it looks nice. That looks nice. The cream on the top. Fabulous fudge coming up. This will give you a good idea on what to expect. Yeah, nice fudge store there, look. And seafront. All round with their sparklers and fancy lights, and they got the fudge there. It's very nice. The Dorset nectar cider. Has anyone ever tried that? Never tried it. Never tried the cider. Yeah, they give you a little bottles there, those cartons. The nectar cider company, which is there. We've got the boat with a static along the seafront, these, the boat ice cream, coffee and all that, they sell that. Oh look, we've got these there, selling those flashy fancy lights. Light up toys, £4 and £12. Another store with fancy lights there, look. Kiddies lights. Yeah, so we're on the beach now. Can't really see up there, really, there are too many people. And see if we can watch the water. Well, this is Weymouth tonight, as we speak, around about 7:30 in the evening. So we're just waiting for the fire to be lit now, imminently, so we'll leave it running for a minute. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, and this is it, tonight, 2025 everyone. Yeah, so if you're holiday makers far away, here's your chance to have a look at the Weymouth Bonfire Night 2025. So if you feel like coming down, welcome. Yeah, so that's the bonfire lit. And we're just waiting for the fireworks now, which will be about 8 o'clock. So, hope you can join me. Catch you in a little bit. Yeah, just operating the other camera. As you can see, I've got the other camera there, look, filming for the YouTube. Going off.
Oh shit, what the fuck?
Actually, no, guys, I don't do it because I have Mr. Kenny for 2 straight. Please, strong. Is that it? No, it's not.
Council would have made a fortune off parking tonight if they'd be charging that night. I'd say. Don't remind them. And a lot of people on the beach as well. You'll see. Anyway, if you like the video tonight, please like, subscribe, support the channel, give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Have a great day and bye for now. Hope you enjoyed the video.